Kasi dati po nag-aaral po itong dalawa kong anak ng college. Yung panganay ko lang po yung napagtapos ko. Siya po nakatapos po siya ng 2 years course po na IT. Siya po huminto na. Tapos yun po yung ang tuition po nila, pang mga project. Kaya yung puhunan ko po na nawala po. Kasi hindi naman po lagi pong may extra. Yung pagkain po namin, pag wala po kaming pasok, doon po rin po sa tindahan namin kinukuha. Tsaka po yung mga pangangailangan po nila sa school.
The Salarda family lives in the shanty in the middle of Barangay North Bay Boulevard South in Navotas City. Life is hard for the family of 8, with Alan, the patriarch, only earning 250 pesos to 350 pesos on days he finds work as a dried seafood dealer. His wife, Judith, earns a little more by making fishball and kikiam. But there's a chance to get their sari-sari store back.
Sa Vice Presidente po Leni Robredo po magkaroon po sana ako ng puhunan ulit para makapagtinda. Kasi po para po makapasok po yung 4 ko pong anak na nag-aaral pa po. Gusto ko po para po meron po akong pagkuwanan din po ng pambaon-baon po nila araw-araw. Kasi po di po sila nakakapasok ng kompleto pong 1 linggo kasi kulang po sa pamasahe.
Robredo herself visits the Salardas, who were also given a nebulizer for their child with asthma. The Vice President, however, says the help doesn't stop there.
So ngayon, gusto nating tulungan silang mabuksan ulit yung sari-sari store. Pero hindi pwedeng basta lang iiwanan ng pera. Dapat may financial literacy, dapat turuan sila ng tamang pagnenegosyo, dapat hindi dole out, merong mga obligasyon na kailangan tuparin. Pangalawa, siguruhin na yung mga anak talaga makapag-aral.
The Office of the Vice President partners with various organizations to make this livelihood assistance program possible. In Navotas, the Dampi organization helped the Salardas. The local government also provided skills training, a job fair, and even services like Zumba, facial treatment, haircut, manicure, and massage to the rest of the barangay. It's all consistent with Robredo's aim to help those in the laylayan or in the fringes of society.
Robredo is expected to tour other less fortunate areas in Metro Manila to provide livelihood assistance to Filipinos. The Vice President's search for stories of hope continues. Mara Cepeda, Rappler, Navotas.